Changing the intake filter protects your AERZEN machine from dust and damage, ensuring reliable and efficient performance. On the front of the machine, an indicator gauge shows the dirt level in the intake filter. The filter must be replaced when the needle reaches and no later than the red display zone. First, ensure that the power is switched off and the control panel is safely isolated. Using a special key, unlock the upper left front cover panel and store it aside safely. Unclip the intake silencer housing and remove the maintenance flap. Loosen the intake filter from its mounting by turning it anti-clockwise and gently pull it outside. Make sure to clean any residual dust inside the intake silencer. Disposed of the used filter in line with applicable local waste regulations. For optimal performance and reliability, always use the original AERZEN intake filter. Align the locating lugs with the housing receiving holes and fasten the intake filter by turning it clockwise. Resecure the maintenance flap to the intake silencer housing and ensure it is fully clamped shut. If required, reset the maintenance indicator. Finally, refit the cover panels. The power can now be connected and the machine can run safely. Our after-sales team in your region is ready to support you. Let's talk.